等下你 show 一下 how to first, second, third, fourth, final step, how to fit into the needles. 先 show how to treat, how to sewing first. Okay. How to put, must be a upward got thread and then bottom got thread, 2 pieces of thread and then 1 piece of cloth. If let's say you want to join both the cloth together, 2 pieces, 2 pieces, okay. Then how we join together the cloth. Okay, use scissors to cut the thread out. And then let us show how both the cloth now join together already. See? Join together already. So show people the thread mark. The thread mark. This is the thread mark. The tiny thread mark. This is the tiny thread mark. Relic sewing machine. Relic sewing machine. Okay, let us show how to get the thread through the needle. You take out the okay, the first step. See, we take out all the needle, all the thread. Okay, first step. This is the first step. Okay. Second step. Third step. Third step, a tiny wire. Go through the tiny wire. Then fourth step. Go through the hole of no, go through here first, right? Third step. This is third step. Terbalik from the back. From the back go through. From the back go through. Okay. Okay, the fourth step, go to a tiny hole of the machine. Tiny hole of the machine. Okay, the final step is go through the needles. You must go through this hole also, and then go through the needles now. Let us show you how to go through the needles. Okay, that's all. Are you able to show the bottom thread how to put back? The bottom one. Bottom, there's a thread there. Can you take out the yes. This is the thread. Okay, how you put back? Okay, just tie it to the hole. Yes, correct. and then once you put back to the machine, the machine you need to take out the bottom thread through the sewing machine. It will automatically take out the thread. Can see or not the white color? That's the thing. Yes, this is the straight. Yes. Okay, that's good. That's all. This is relic machine, relic sewing machine. Just one power cord.